In this video I'm going to show you 4 methods how to fix your left stick drift on the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. Stick drift is super annoying, guys. It is a massive problem that many people have after a while, and I hope with one of these methods your stick drift will be resolved. Method 1. Pull the joystick up, push it to the side and blow in the space that is created. If you have, what would be even better is blow some canned air in it. Like this. You can just buy it at every construction store. Hopefully this removes the dust or dirt that is stuck between the left stick and causing the stick drift. Method 2. Put a bit of electrical contact cleaner in it. Now you can also buy this at the construction store. And what you do is you pull the left stick to the side and then you just spray a little bit in it. Don't spray too much because then it could damage the controller. Just spray a little bit to lubricate it. And you'll notice that immediately the left stick will move way more smoother. This is because the electrical contact cleaner will remove the dust around the stick. Method number 3. Push it to the side and then press down. This could remove any dust or particles and make sure the analog is in the right position. So you push it to the side and then you press down the left stick for around 30 seconds. Rotate it then 3-4 times clockwise. And then rotate it 3-4 times counterclockwise. And then press down the left stick again for 30 seconds. Method 4. After you have done all of this, recalibrate the left stick. So go to System Settings, scroll down to Controllers and Accessories, and then scroll down to Calibrate Control Sticks. Tilt the control stick you want to calibrate. So we want to calibrate the left one. And it says here, check the following. When the control stick isn't being touched, the cursor above will appear as a cross. The cursor is a cross, so we have no problems with that. When the cursor is tilted, the cursor will appear as a dot moving within the outer circle. If we move the cursor, we see a dot, so this is also okay. When the stick is fully tilted in any direction, the outer circle will light up, and it does. So in this case I don't have any calibration problems, but if you have, what you should do is recalibrate it. So press on X, calibrate, and then you can recalibrate it. So guys, I hope one of these methods fixed your left stick drift. If it didn't work, you might have to open your controller.